Here at Tanger Outlets, and I just noticed this. This is so cool. This is a Hot Wheels machine. It's like a like a soda machine, but you get Hot Wheels, just like the sports card one they have now. That's pretty cool. I would have loved this as a kid. 71 Dodge Challenger. Yeah, that's pretty neat. Snoopy's Doghouse. Oh, the Dodson 240Z. There's the Ford 1931 Ford. Look at that. Cool stuff. But I like the art on the machine. Let's see if it's what it looks like on the side. Yeah, it's like it got that cool track. Like, you got it. They sell. I used to love those as a kid. Those Hot Wheel tracks, or even the ones with the God, what do you call those? The cars? They're little cars. They're the size of Hot Wheels. They're worth money now. I hate that I can't remember. My buddy has a few NASCAR ones, but they have like a hollow. But they're set for the track. The track cars. I just call them track cars. They have another name though. What in the world? They're selling, like, you can go to Walmart and get a lot of these for $1. I guess the novelty of buying them through the machine, you got to pay $5 more bucks. I didn't know that. Yeah, I've seen a lot of these at Walmart and Target for $1.19 all day long. Sometimes you'll go to like AutoZone and they'll have Hot Wheels in there, or Advanced Auto, whatever, and they'll get you for an extra $1 or $2. Sometimes there'll be 3 there, and that's even pricey. What in the world? Snoopy's? I have that. I have that Snoopy car, and I got it for $1. They want 20 bucks for that? You got to be kidding me. You have to be kidding me. This can't be real. Overpriced machine. I guess you're paying for the novelty of it.